Guys, this is little speed boats that you can buy. It's for big kids like myself. Oops.
Whoa!
So they're for grown-ups, but they're little electric speed boats.
You gotta go fast in these areas. You cannot go slow.
They're about 5,000 to buy them apparently.
You good? Yeah, I'm good. Big ol' knot. You gotta go quick. That's the thing about these boats. You gotta get on plane to go past these areas. You need to go get some
These
pool
are in
noodles.
America. I don't know if you can get them in Australia.
Look like I'm singing? No, we're talking about pool noodles. Oh, for this or something? Isn't it more bouncy in the back?
Oh, for sure. Way bouncy.
Look at that. That'd be so good. What a load of fun that'd be. Wouldn't people look at you then when you're doing that? They're for grown-ups? That are big kids? Check that out, guys. That's so much fun. I'd love to have one of them. But you have to be careful too, guys, yeah? These guys are going a little bit crazy. Oh, we hit something then. Something in the water. They're electric, so you plug them in like your electric cars. Check that out.